Amiha from Cook with Sam, and today I'm going to show you how to make Canadian butter tart squares. Before we get on to the video, make sure to subscribe if you like what I do here, and also click that notification bell to get notified whenever I upload. Now without further ado, let's get on to the video. Today I'm using my fruit processor. You could also use a hand mixer. Firstly, I'll make the shortbread base. Add 130 grams of all-purpose flour and 50 grams of sugar. Then pulse it to mix it together. Then add 110 grams of cold butter and pulse it again. Add a pinch of salt and process again. Then transfer the dough into a butter-greased square pan. Now evenly press the dough. Then, gently prick the dough with a fork, which helps the dough from puffing up while baking. Bake for around 20 minutes in a 180 degrees Celsius preheated oven. Now add 200 grams of brown sugar and 50 grams of butter into a food processor and process together. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of flour, and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. And process again. Then add 2 large eggs and process the mixture. And remember to scrape down the sides of the bowl. Now add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix it again. Next, add 1/4 cup of corn syrup. You could also use golden syrup. And mix it again. Today, I'm using chopped almonds, hazelnut, and black raisins, or you could use only black raisins. Sprinkle the nuts mixture and raisins over the baked shortbread base. Then pour the filling over the nuts. And bake in a 180 degrees preheated oven around 25 to 30 minutes. Remove from the oven and let it cool down, and you're done. Serve it for your eat table or during a picnic. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!